I'd been in the home all day. I'd been working from home and had to pop out to go and collect the children from school. And during that time, we'd been burgled, so in broad daylight. When we got back, it looked as though someone had taken monkey grips to the door handle and ripped them clean off, smashed the lock, and the door was ajar as well. So when we came into the house, everything was upside down. The contents of the drawers were over the floor. It was a real mess. Muddy footprints all across the carpet. And of course, then we started to think, where else have they been? I think it really hits home when you come into your children's bedrooms and you see that your children's bedrooms have been turned upside down. So the break-in was a real wake-up call in terms of having to do something about the security of the house. So we did a complete review. The first product I bought was the floodlight cam. And that was purely because I had an existing floodlight on the front of the house. It was easy to install and it's something I could do instantly. Because the floodlight cam was at one side of the house, the Ring doorbell is at the other, and it gives us that total coverage across the front of the property.
Hello?
Hi Abby, it's Daddy.
Hi Daddy.
So about 3 weeks after I installed the camera, we had an incident. It was Monday morning, it was about 6 a.m, and my phone alert went off to say that there'd been some activity on the front drive. I went to my Ring device, opened up the app, and the individual had jumped over the wall, attempted to get into both cars on the drive before then turning around and exiting the property. The beauty of Ring is that you can share the videos and you can share them instantly. So when the police came round to find out about the incident, I was able to A, show them the video, but B, then send them the link. So then within a matter of a few hours, they had arrested the individual, and then it led to a criminal conviction. With the Ring system, I get a notification if someone is on the property. So as long as my phone stays quiet, I know there's no one on the property. And having that level of reassurance all the time is worth its weight in gold.